Welcome to AK26 Tutorial 9. In this lesson, you'll learn how to dimension your design, both in the floor plan and in elevations. Section 1, Switching to 2D View. With your design open in Floor Plan View, click the View tab, then click the 2D button. Up until now, you've been working in design mode, or in 3D when creating the render. In 2D view, most of the extra lines disappear, leaving you with solid and dotted lines only. Solid lines represent wall cabinets, tall cabinets, and countertops. Dotted lines represent base cabinets. Remember, the 2D view is used only for printing floor plans. You can add or remove layers as needed. If you want these changes to apply to all future drawings, you can save your own 2D configuration. Section 2, Setting up layers for the floor plan. Click the On/Off button on the View tab. In the table that opens, under Cabinets, turn Codes off and Dimensions on. Under Architecture, turn Texts off. Scroll to Various, and turn Shape off. Now, your floor plan should show cabinet dimensions clearly, without extra text or shapes. You can keep adjusting these layers until you get the exact combination you want. Section 3, Saving the layer configuration. Once you're satisfied, click the Save symbol in the upper right corner. You can also choose from ready-made setups, like countertop plan or electrical plan, available in the pull-down menu. Section 4, Adding floor plan dimensions. Most cabinet dimensions appear automatically, but you can also add your own measurements. Click the Annotate tab, then choose the Horizontal Dimension tool. Press F3 or click OSnap in the lower right corner. Click the upper right corner of the island countertop, then click the front corner base cabinet at the upper right of the kitchen. To place the dimension, click between the island and the cabinet to the right of the range. You should see a dimension reading 42 inches. Section 5, Adding a vertical dimension. Next, click the Vertical Dimension tool. Click the upper left corner of the island countertop, then the corner cabinet countertop at the upper left side of the kitchen. Place the dimension in front of the sink. The distance should read 43 inches. Horizontal and vertical tools always measure the straight distance between 2 points. Section 6, Adding text. To add notes, click Add text. Make sure ORTHO is on by pressing F8. Click below the island and draw a short horizontal line from left to right. When the Insert Text window appears, type Ceiling Height, 96 inches, and confirm with the green check mark. You'll see the text appear in your floor plan. To remove text or dimensions, select the item, right-click, and choose Delete. When you're done, return to Design mode and save your work. Section 7, Dimensioning Elevations. Next, let's move to elevation dimensioning. We'll work on Wall 4, the wall with the range. Click the On/Off button again. Turn Accessories off, and under Various, turn Blocks off. Click the Annotate tab, then Front View. Choose Wall 4, and confirm with the green check mark. Section 8, Editing Elevation Dimensions. You'll notice that Wall 4 already shows automated dimensions. Some of them may be redundant. Click on any unnecessary dimension lines and press Delete. To add your own, use horizontal multiple or vertical multiple to dimension several cabinets at once. Use horizontal or vertical for individual dimensions. Section 9, Replacing dimensions manually. We'll delete some redundant dimensions, and replace them with manual ones. Click Horizontal Multiple. Select the base and tall cabinets from right to left. Click the green check mark, or right-click. Click once on the floor, then again a few inches below the floor. The dimensions for each cabinet will appear along the bottom. If you make a mistake, click Erase, select the dimensions, and right-click to remove them. Section 10, Adding or Replacing Vertical Dimensions. To replace the vertical dimensions on the left side, delete the existing vertical dimensions. Click Vertical Multiple. Select the first base and first upper cabinets on the left side, right to left. Confirm with the green check mark. Click once near the wall, and again a few inches to the left of it. You'll now see new vertical dimensions appear. Section 11, Finalizing the elevation. After your edits, your elevation should look clear and complete. You can add subtotals, notes, or leader lines as needed. When finished, click the lock icon to freeze the dimensioned elevation. If the lock is left open, your manual dimensions will be replaced by automated ones the next time you open the view. Finally, click the red X on the right side of the toolbar to exit and save your work. For practice, repeat the same steps for walls 2 and 3. You'll use those in tutorial 11 when learning to print. This concludes tutorial 9, Dimensioning your design.